Assalamu alaikum lovelies, welcome back to my channel. Since a long time I wanted to shoot a video like this wherein I share my entire day with you, but since there is lockdown, nothing much is happening around. I did not find the right kind of motivation to do so. But since today I'm going to get vaccinated, I'm going to travel by local train approximately after 2 years. So I thought I will take you guys along with me as well. So yeah, let's go. I have reached Bhinder railway ticket counter and I did not expected it to be so crowded because the local train is operational only for the government employees, for medical staff and for general public only in case of medical emergency and for vaccination. I instantly thought of taking a cab, but since I already reached the station, I thought I'll go by train itself. What I'll be doing is I'll take a fast train from Bhinder till Borivali and then I'll pick up my husband from there and then we'll go by slow train. The train was also super crowded. Social distancing aspect was almost zero, and till the time I reached Borivali, it started raining so heavily. Thankfully, I have carried an umbrella today. And as soon as we both boarded in the slow train, the first thing we did is we sanitized our hand. And thankfully, from here onwards, the journey was very pleasant, the crowd was very less, and I also managed to get a window seat, which is generally not possible in Mumbai local. If you are Mumbaikar, I am sure you will be very much aware about it. Till the time we reached Malad, the rain almost stopped, and positively we'll be able to reach the center around 15 to 20 minutes before because the trains were on time and everything was smooth and systematic. We are about to reach our destination and you can see the station is almost empty. I can hardly spot one or two people here and there. And from here we took an auto to Nanavati Hospital. Santa Cruz roads were heavily crowded and almost every single shop was open. I could also spot many small street vendors around. There was nearly a traffic jam near the station area, but as we move ahead, the traffic kind of cleared off and we reached our center in almost no time. The monsoon has begun in Mumbai and the climate was very cold and I can smell the earth. It felt so heavenly. From here onward, I wanted to shoot everything in detail, but I was scolded by three security people inside the hospital. And yeah, they were also correct from their end, they were just doing their duty. As soon as we entered the hospital, at the entrance we received coupons and then we were told to go down in the basement where there was a registration desk and an auditorium. Passing through the registration desk, we were made to sit in an auditorium. We were here around for 10-15 minutes where we filled our form. See, this is our coupons. We got 266 and 267th number, and then we were called in batches of 10. Here we got ourselves registered, we paid our bill. Per vaccination dose costed us around 900 and then we were offered some snacks. Firstly, I thought either it's poha or upma, but it happened to be a bun with some butter and jam inside. We were also given tea and then we were again sent to the ground floor. From here onwards, the staff was even more stricter. And see, this is the area where I got vaccinated, and I was asked to keep my phone inside my bag. After vaccination, we were offered some coffee, and we were told to sit for 30 minutes under observation in case if we need some medical attention. So yeah, we just had a coffee, we spoke some random things, and the vaccination was not painful at all. It was like a pinch for a couple of seconds or so. After relaxing for 30 minutes, we clicked a photo over there in that I am COVID vaccinated booth, and then we left for the day. Before we decided to have a complete lunch at some good restaurant outside, but since neither of us was that very hungry, so we decided to settle for some light snack. We took an auto from there to Andheri station, and then we went to McDonald's. uh, McDonald's was not that very crowded over here like in regular days, but considering pandemic, I can still see sufficient number of people here. We had a patent mac aloo tikki and some chicken nuggets. I was craving so much for mac flurry, but my husband did not allow me to eat that because since we are vaccinated, chances are that we might get fever, and then eating an ice cream add on to that is not actually that very good idea. So we quickly finished our snacks and just spoke about random things here and there, and then we left for the day. Till the time we left, the rain has almost stopped, and the return journey was also quite pleasant. The train was not that very crowded, and yeah, my husband is going to go at his mom's place in Borivali, and I was about to go to Bhinder, that is where my parents live. All what I'm going to do is take a quick shower, eat something in case I feel hungry, spend some time with my son because I'm out since morning and I am actually missing him quite a lot. And yeah, I may go to sleep if I feel like. I'll catch you guys in the evening and update you how am I feeling. Hey guys, good evening. I just woke up after sleeping for good 2.5 hours. It's 5:30 in the evening and the climate outside is very pleasant. It's quite dark. It doesn't seem like it's 5:30. Though the climate is pleasant, I am not feeling that great. I'm experiencing slight fever and mild weakness. Also, I have a severe pain in my arm. But yeah, I was quite very much prepared for it because the lady who vaccinated me over there have warned this to me before that I may experience these symptoms. Also, she told me that I might have headache and nausea, but Alhamdulillah, I'm not facing any of these two. Also, my parents got vaccinated last month and they experienced the similar kind of pain and fever, so it's quite normal. She also advised me to take Crocin or any other paracetamol if the fever is high, but right now I am not going to do that. I might prepare some hot coffee and that might make me feel better. The overall vaccination experience was fine. I was expecting a little more strictness on social distancing aspects, but yeah, I tried my level best to maintain it. Also, I wanted to show you all the entire vaccination process in detail, but I wasn't allowed to shoot. I got scolded 3 times. So wherever tiny little snippets I was able to capture, I did that. I tried my best to make this vlog as interesting and as informative as possible. And also, I request you all, if you have not got vaccinated, please download Arogya Setu app, uh, register yourself and find for slots as soon as possible. No excuses, no reasons, nothing. Rest of the evening, I do not have any agenda in mind. I have decided to rest as much as possible. Also, I work out at 6 p.m. every day, but today I am not going to do so. In fact, I'm not going to work out for another 1 week because this is what the doctors over there have advised me. So yeah, maybe I'll make some coffee for myself now. I might read something, or I'll just chill with my son around, nothing more. So yeah, that's it for today's vlog. Give it a big thumbs up if you enjoyed watching it, and do let me know in the comment section below if you would like to see such vlogs in future as well, and also if you like to see some improvements, any constructive criticisms, any comments is welcome from your end. And yes, please subscribe to my channel. I upload videos on food, lifestyle, productivity, positivity. Till then, take care.